There are ways to penetrate through the layers of the mind, and one way is to take the time to create ceremonies and rituals for your own human life that feel nourishing and nurturing and not self-harming and self-degrading. This is the power of the lunar cycle and the solar season for me in my own life and over these many years that we've been walking together. Why do we follow these cycles? It's to help ourselves remember that we are soul embodied. We have forgotten that we are a soul, that this powerful body is a vehicle for the soul, that this powerful light holds the keys and codes for your own awakening and remembering. And if you could take enough time to pause and consider yourself and the breath and the heartbeat and your ability to understand the words that are coming out of my mouth, you would understand that there is a magic and a medicine here that is trying to reach you.